Becca, Becca, how many love burns is this for you?
Uh, 5 or 6.
Damn, and your first time bringing in an art installation?
Yeah, my own. I've
Fuck
been on
yeah.
other people's art prints, but not.
So this is the like waiting area for once you are waiting to get your like wristband, and look at how gorgeous it is. It's like it's like a sanctuary. And I'm so fucking exhausted because I flew here today and I spent the whole day in airplanes, and I can't sleep on airplanes. Especially when they're only like 3-hour flight and then like a 2-hour flight. But I didn't get any sleep last night because I was packing the whole time. And at some point I just gave up and said, maybe I'm just not gonna sleep. I need to be up at 6 anyway, so maybe I just don't sleep and sleep on the plane. Then I was too excited. But now I'm like so exhausted. This is nice. I'm like, I'm down to spend a few minutes up in here.